You're watching Channel 1 and warm welcome to Romulo's Small Kitchen. Today we have a guest culinary artist presenting her quick and easy charcuterie board.
Good afternoon, this is Esper Sanders from the Netherlands. This afternoon we're going to have a presentation of what we call a charcuterie. If you would like to have a party with friends, a small group, I recommend a variety of food items which you could put all together in these two wooden boards. You could call it antipasti if you want, an Italian version, or tapas, Spanish version. Mix every dried fruit or nuts or any kind of food that you'd like to combine with all these fruits and nuts. Okay, now that we have sliced all the fruits and prepared the rest of the ingredients, we are ready to assemble that on a wooden board. First, we will put the greeneries, leaves, and then spread everything on the board, whatever order you want to do it. I have here some dried tomatoes, olives,
This is definitely a departure from what Romulo usually prepares. This is pleasing to the eye.
it's a combination of colors and taste.
This allows me to relax also after those chaotic preparations of three recipes. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. I have some small cups here. I can use some dips which we can put on our crackers.
And if you notice, we're doing this on top of the stove. That explains how, or that shows how small the kitchen is. You may not believe there are even items on the floor. We will not be showing them.
What's important is the taste.
Yes. Amen to that, sister.
Okay. Here, I have some dried apricots.
Dried apricots. Where are they from? Mediterranean?
I think they're from Turkey.
Turkey. And the dates?
And the dates are now prepared with some cream cheese in it.
Cream cheese. Yeah. The sweetness of the dates combines perfectly with the creaminess. Creaminess of the cheese. And it has some saltiness as well, actually. Perfect combination. Flavors from the Middle East and the Mediterranean.
Yeah.
And look at the olives and the dried, and the tomatoes sun-dried, or dried under the Mediterranean sun. Imagine that. We're bringing the flavors to Holland.
I have some ham here.
Yes, from Spain, jamón serrano.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Usually combined with melon, but we don't have melon at the moment. It's not in season, but you could always combine it with any fruit you would like. Will have the same effect.
Or solo even.
Yeah.
And it looks like a flower. Very beautiful this way. Look how she does it. Did you learn that at UP?
Just my own creation. It look, it just looks good on the board, so it will be very appetizing.
Very appetizing indeed.
And coupled with a great wine from
And don't forget the
either
one from the New
France
World,
or
from
South
Chile,
Africa.
Argentina, South Africa, and
It's a surprise.
We have the wine.
such a
It's
surprise.
Surprise was
ready,
great.
it's ready.
That's great. You know her.
Yes, of course.
Can I have a share?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
Here's yours. And I will take mine. Also.
This is cava,
So,
Spain's version of champagne.
cheers.
Cheers.
Our cameraman happens to be, or today happens to be the birthday of our cameraman.
Our
That's why.
birthday celebration.
That's why we're preparing this for him. Yaya Ludo.
Also, Yaya Ludo is his birthday today. So, there's
Final na yan. That's the final one.
Look, that's heavenly. This is heavenly. It's a feast to the eyes.
And the final ingredient, we're just going to spread it.
Is that, what's that?
Cranberry, dried cranberry, and cashew nuts. Of course, you can use other kinds of nuts. You can
Our
use
apologies,
almonds.
my stove lamp just gave up today, so please don't mind the shadow.
never
Okay.
mind
This is not
shadow.
television. This is a real kitchen.
And this is ready.
It's ready. Look at that.
Final product. We're going to enjoy this with our glass of wine, and this will go on through the whole night. Thank you. Hope you enjoy it too.
And you can do it at home as well.
Yes.
Made by Spare, assisted by Grace in there. For our man of the day, Yaya Ludo,
It's
our
a-
cameraman. Thank you.